So class A amplifier is the very first type of amplifier. The transistor will conduct for the entire time. Because the Q point is at the active region, the transistor will be working throughout the 100% of time. During 50% of time, it will be conducting your positive half cycle. During the next 50% of time, it will be amplifying your negative half cycle. Okay, so in class A amplifier, the transistor is going to be busy. It is going to work throughout the time. The maximum theoretical efficiency is 25 percentage you can get, which can be increased to 50 percentage if I'm going to use transformers. So the efficiency is what is the output of the output power by input power. Because we are dealing with power amplifiers, the efficiency formula is given by output power by input power. Since you are working at an enormous high level of power, the efficiency is bound to be less because majority of the power is lost as heat. That's why you see in class A, the operation is 20, efficiency is 25 percentage, and if it can be made 50 percentage if we are going to use transformers for proper coupling of the power. See, simple logic: the transistor is working for a longer amount of time, efficiency is less. It is a natural logic, right? 8 hours online class daily you have, you will not be able to understand anything clearly because you are working for a longer amount of time. But if you are having 4 hours of class daily with 1 hour of break in between, efficiency will be very good. See, everything is derived from nature only. Okay, so in class A, you see it is going to work for the or 100% of time, so it is continuously working. So when continuously the amplifier is working, amplification takes place, power is produced, heat is produced, heat loss happens, so efficiency is less. Class B amplifier, you see, it is going to conduct only for 50% of the time. It is going to work for 50% of the time. So remaining 50%, it is not going to operate. It is going to be cut off. So 50% of time it is going to be in active region. Remaining 50% it is going to be cut off. So only during this 50% of time you will have power loss. During the other 50%, the loss is zero. So the efficiency is very high. It jumps to 78.5 percentage. See, all these efficiency calculations we will be doing when we study about each of the power amplifiers. For now, understand that the more time your transistor is on, the more is the power loss, the less is the efficiency. So class A, you see 100% turned on, 25% to 50% maximum efficiency. Class B, only 50% working, 78.5% efficiency. So if you are going to make this less than 50, which is your class B, a class C amplifier, the efficiency will jump to 100 percentage. In class C, the efficiency is 100 percentage. Okay, the efficiency of the transistor is 100 percentage. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? You are following my lecture? Any doubts so far in the different types of amplifiers A, B, and C?